Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox password reset alerts. First, always confirm your internet connection is stable and strong to prevent interruptions. Next, make sure you are on the official Roblox website or app to avoid phishing scams. It's also a good idea to clear your browser's cache and cookies, as old data can sometimes cause issues. Finally, a quick restart of your device can often resolve many temporary software glitches, giving you a fresh start. If you are still encountering problems, let's troubleshoot some common issues. Always check your email's spam or junk folder, as reset links sometimes end up there. Double-check that the email address you are using is the exact one linked to your Roblox account. Sometimes, there might be a slight delay, so wait a few minutes for the reset email to arrive before trying again. If one browser isn't working, try initiating the password reset process using a completely different web browser. Should the standard methods not work, you have other recovery options. If you have a verified phone number associated with your account, you can often use it for an alternative password reset. If all else fails, your best course of action is to contact Roblox support directly through their official website. When reaching out, be prepared to provide accurate account details to help them verify your identity. Make sure to follow all instructions from Roblox support carefully to expedite the recovery process. To prevent future password reset alerts and keep your account secure, consider these important tips. Always create a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Enabling two-step verification adds an extra layer of protection, making it much harder for unauthorized access. Ensure your recovery email and phone number are always up to date in your account settings. Finally, regularly review your account's security settings to stay informed and protected against potential threats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.